Welcome to Monoprice. My name is Isaac, and today I'm going to show you how to set up your new Monoprice Voxel 3D printer. We will also go over setting up the slicing software. Before we begin, please download and install the latest software and user manual by searching for the Voxel on monoprice.com. The Voxel is a great beginner 3D printer, but it's very different from Monoprice's other 3D printers. The Voxel comes completely assembled, ready to start printing out of the box. The unit is fully enclosed with clear panels and doors allowing you to view the print's progress. The 8GB internal memory allows for easy storage of prints, and transferring files to the printer is done through Wi-Fi or USB drive. The nozzle is easily removed by using the quick release levers. The side panel is also removable, allowing access to the filament compartment. Here you will find the filament storage and feeder mechanism. There is a removable build plate, which is flexible for easy removal of finished prints. The bed is also heated with a build area of 150 mm3 or 5.9 inches in each direction. The Voxel is calibrated out of the box, but should you need to adjust the first layer, calibration is found in the settings menu. I hope you enjoyed the Monoprice Voxel. I'm Isaac with Monoprice. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out monoprice.com for 3D printing products and support.
Hi there, Ben Maloof here to introduce the LulzBot Mini 2 3D printer. Our engineering teams have been hard at work here in Colorado, and I'm excited to go over all the upgrades that make the LulzBot Mini 2 our best printing, easiest to use, and most reliable 3D printer ever. Now, if you're already a fan of the LulzBot Mini, you'll be happy to know that everything you love is still here. Legendary LulzBot versatility, reliability, and ease of use, the rugged powder-coated aluminum frame, and of course the carry handle. But while it may look very similar on first glance, there's a ton of new innovation to talk about here, so let's get into the features. The first obvious feature change is the LCD screen. This means the LulzBot Mini 2 is tetherless out of the box with no need to be connected to a computer to operate the machine. Just put your G-code onto the included SD card, pop it in the printer, and select your file from the LCD menu. Next up, let's talk about the re-engineered and innovative belt drive Z-axis. The benefits? First of all, speed, which really makes a difference when starting a new print or making manual axis adjustments. But the big benefit of the belt drive is in print quality. No lead screws, no potential for Z-banding. The next two obvious changes are the tool head and the print bed. The Mini 2's Aero Extruder V2 tool head is powered by a genuine E3D Titan Aero extruder and hot end, and features a powerful part cooling fan with 4-way ducting. This gives you acclaimed E3D hot end quality and extrusion accuracy, and allows you to print both rigid materials and flexibles up to 290 degrees Celsius. The heated bed is capable to 120 degrees Celsius and features a reversible borosilicate glass and PEI print surface, which simplifies maintenance and makes it easy to experiment with different substrates. Another thing you may have noticed is the noise, or lack thereof. Thanks to the Trinamic TMC 2130 stepper drivers on the ANYCUBIC Retro control board, the Mini 2's motors run much quieter than on any printer we've ever built before, which makes it a great addition to classrooms, libraries, and offices. Like all LulzBot 3D printers, the Mini 2 is built here in Loveland, Colorado, and comes with a 1-year warranty and our renowned technical support. Extended warranties are also available. Just ask a LulzBot sales associate for details. We're extremely proud of the LulzBot Mini 2, and we know it'll make a valuable addition to your shop, office, or classroom. If you want more great LulzBot content, please make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.
IDEX is short for Independent Dual Extruder System, which means the printer has two printheads that operate independently from each other. IDEX 3D printers are capable of printing models in duplication mode, mirror mode, dual color, or dual material. Duplicate mode enables both extruders to print the same object at the same time, which doubles productivity and is most ideal for small batch manufacturing. Mirror mode allows users to print an object alongside its inverse simultaneously, which is especially convenient in medical and footwear applications. IDEX is also great for printing dual color or dual material models. When one nozzle is printing, the other one sits idle. This is great for preventing material oozing and affecting print quality. IDEX technology is great for increasing productivity and delivering high-quality dual extruder prints. Thank you for watching. Please contact Raise3D for more information.